Okay, this dance is called Urang Minang Baralek Gadang, choreographed by Hakim Putra Piliang and Herman Baso from Indonesia on October 2022. There are 48 count, 2 walls, no take, only 3 restart on wall 3, wall 7 and wall 8 after 32 count. Okay, this is a beautiful song by Chow featuring Yeyen Zymra with the title of the song Urang Minang Baralek Gadang. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Walk forward, right, left, side shuffle. And then continue, walk back, left, right, side shuffle. Section 2, rock forward, recover, back shuffle, and then back, rock back, recover, forward shuffle. Section 3, syncopated, cross shuffle, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross. And then with the same to the right, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross. Okay, and then section 4, pivot, half pivot twice, half pivot to left, half pivot to left, and then V-step, out, out, in. And then section 5, cross, cross touch, side touch, right botafogo, and then the same, cross touch, side touch, and then left botafogo. And then the last one, section 6, quarter just book turn to right, cross, quarter turn to right, step back, side, step forward. With the same, quarter turn just book to right, cross, quarter turn, back, side, step forward. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.